Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota Highlander cabin air filter. First, make sure you have a new cabin air filter ready. You might also need a small flathead screwdriver, though often no tools are required. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality, and it usually takes less than 15 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started by preparing your workspace. Now let's access the filter housing. Begin by completely emptying your glove compartment of all its contents. Once clear, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the small plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully. You'll then see the rectangular cabin air filter housing behind it, often with one or two clips. With the glove box open, you'll see the filter housing cover. There are usually one or two clips on the sides. Unclip these and carefully remove the cover. Now, gently slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correctly installing the new one, ensuring proper air circulation. It's time to install your new cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Slide the new filter smoothly into the housing. Replace the filter housing cover, ensuring the clip snaps securely into place. Finally, lift your glove box and push it back until the side stops re-engage, securing it closed. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.